Hi, this is Tirupati from Efficient Manufacturing Medicine, and today we have with us Mr. Sachiien from Tirupati Groups. First of all, thank you very much, sir, for giving us your very precious time. If I may ask, what does Tirupati Group consist of? What are the different companies that you own?
Basically Tirupati Group is we are supplying in the all type of industries, automobile, non-automobile, electrical industries specifically. We are the manufacturer and exporter of all type of ferrous and non-ferrous product. We have the huge capacity of machines, painting, silver plating and welding. We are the only one supplier in the state who having all the facility under one roof. So this is the benefit to the customer. They are getting all the services under the one roof. That is our specialty. We are ISO certified customers, and we are doing the business with Hyosung, T&D, Toshiba, POWERGEN, Crompton Greaves. All big player is our customers.
Having everything under one roof, that's actually an amazing USP you have, and I'm pretty much sure that's one of its own kind in your industry. But if I may ask, what's the vision? What's the long-term vision, maybe in 5 years? And does it align with the amazing vision of our country, that is Make in India?
Yeah, definitely. Basically, by doing the consistent work in the quality and delivery and the different acquisition of the processes, we are become a benchmarking of the supply industry for the export country also, European countries also, and we are looking for the good opportunity, and it will be the proud for India. That's why in our stall we are using the Make in India concept. So we have applied the Make in India, and Indian markets are very good in the energy sectors. So we diversify ourselves in the energy sectors, and we are doing very good job. So that's why what are the required processes is required, we all the put up in our premises, and it is a very attractive segment for us.